If you have plans to visit Europe, here are the shoes that you must pack. I went to Europe for a month with just a carry-on, and these are the shoes I brought with me. I walked around all day, every day. My feet never hurt once, and my outfits always looked cute. First up, these sneakers that I literally never shut up about. There's already a few detailed videos about them on my page that you can check out if you want more info, but basically they're handmade, so they're incredibly comfortable, very durable, and then most importantly for travel, they're so versatile. You can wear them with literally anything and they look good. Dresses, skirts, shorts, pants, anything. I wear them almost every day while traveling and also while at home because they are the best shoes money can buy. No matter the place, no matter the outfit, they go with literally everything. I think you can get by in some places without them, but in the Amalfi Coast, my foot would just fully fall off without these shoes, I swear. The next shoe you need is some kind of dressier sandal, so number 2, 3, or 4 will do. You definitely want it in a neutral color so that it will match all your outfits, and you want it to be as comfortable as possible because you're gonna need to be walking around in them. 2 trips ago, I brought a pair almost identical to number 3. This last trip, I brought a pair almost identical to number 4. These ones are from Target. The ones I have are from Abercrombie, but they're no longer there. Triple video, but if you're going to Positano, there's stairs everywhere. You don't want to be walking around in heels, so I loved these. Because they're nude, they almost blend in with my foot, which elongates my legs. I'm short, so I love that. And then again, because they're nude, they go with absolutely anything. Hard to see, but they're also what I'm wearing with this jumpsuit heading to the beach. Here's another example. This is what I wore to dinner one night. You can see they just kind of blend into my foot so you don't really notice them at all, and instead you pay attention to my dress. Casual, but still cute. The third pair of shoes I brought were these block-heeled mules. They are great because they're incredibly walkable based on the height and also the block heel. They're from my favorite shoe company, so they're handmade. They're incredibly comfortable. I could walk all day, every day in these. For Positano, do not bring heels. You don't even need a heel like this for Positano. I definitely wore these on our trip. I can't remember if I did in Positano or not. I probably just wore them in the other towns, but if you do want to have a heel of some kind, these are fantastic. Next, I always pack a pair of Havaianas. I highly recommend these. They're really affordable. The sole of them is quite thick, so like the beaches in Positano, for example, are often rocks or pebbles. You'll need to wear shoes into the water if you want to go into the water. These are great for that because they're very thick. You can't feel any kind of rocks through them or anything. 2 more options. My friend packed and wore Birkenstocks almost every day while we were in Positano. She wore them most days we were in Positano. She always looks super chic, and she brought them in not 1 but 2 different colors. So you could bring Birkenstocks, or these are really similar but slightly more luxury. And then number 8 is a fully waterproof version, which would be perfect for Positano because again, you're gonna want to wear shoes when you go in the water. These have a thick sole. They look very similar to the normal ones, so you have the same look as my friend was wearing, but you can also wear them in the water. So versatile, great idea for Positano. I hope that helps give you an idea of what to pack. If you want links to any of these exact shoes, you can head over to my profile. Click on the link in my bio right here, ckanani.com/TikTok, and then click shoes you need for your Europe trip.